Look who came over to play. Yay.
Hey, I told you, buddy. I told you that Kramer would be here. Kramer was like, yeah, a bath. Did you have a bath, Kramer?
They're so cute.
Remember this?
Yeah. Get him. Kramer hasn't had a walk or anything today, so
Oh,
he's gonna have lots of energy. I think he's wondering where his mom is. I mean, it doesn't look like it right now, but she said, I don't think he'll play. I don't know if he will if I'm not there, but no problem. Oh, he's hurting her.
Told you, Puddy. I told you Kramer was coming. Oh, no. Oh, wow. Wow. I told you Kramer was coming. Look at Kramer. You comfortable, Kramer? This is a dangerous spot. This is a dangerous spot for me. What are you looking at, Kramer? What are you looking at? Kramer's just lounging. Meanwhile, Puddy, are you happy to see her? Are you happy to see Kramer?